In this video, I want to talk about how you can get higher leverage on eToro. Now I'm quickly gonna show you a few things that you can do. So the first one is if you're using a retail account, there will be some limits, but these limits are different from what you're trading. So if you're using stocks, it might only be up to 5x. If you're using the big Forex pairs, it might even get up to 30x. So just keep in mind that your limit is on what asset you're trading. So if you're currently trading stocks and you want a higher limit, you can try and trade some of the others and see if that works. Now, if that doesn't work, what you can do is you can try and apply for a professional account. So if you qualify for a professional account, you can have a much higher leverage. So you can try and Google eToro professional account and see what the requirements are for that one and if you're eligible to get a professional account. Now, also, if you didn't notice, but when you're putting the trade and the leverage, you have an option to adjust it. So if you just put the standard one, it might not be as high as you want, but when you're setting the leverage, you can choose to set it higher or lower if you want. So these are the ways that you can try and do it. Let me know if it worked for you. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.